so many girls like they're scared of it, you know, actually going in and not coming out.
It's not possible.
No, not at all.
But what's the guy's equivalent to the vibrator?
Bilbo Baggins! Good to see you too.
There's something in the water, 'cause it tastes like sugar. You wanna throw your weight against me. I wanna feel the thump of your heart. Drink up, you know you wanna drink it out. There's something.
Like to ask for everything, but I know you'd never stay. Your house, her home. Still, you tell me that he's always, always, always. Breathe without thirst, make my heart follow a new beat. But I miss your rhythm. One is always, always.
Are you sure that's him? Are you sure? Tell him! He's gonna hurt you! Tell him! I can't!
Okay, comments? Anyone?
So upset, then what is she doing getting all sexualized over a horse?
Sexualize isn't even a word.
I think that is a word.
Yeah, here, as if her body was rising on some large, warm happiness. I mean, it doesn't sound the least bit horny to anybody else. Large, warm happiness.
You are so sick.
I'm sick.
You.
Sexualized. Adjective. Make sexual, attribute sex or sexual.
Okay, back to the
Yeah,
story.
we all know about these horsey girls going out to the barn and brushing them and all that. Marie Antoinette, she had sex with horses.
That was Catherine the Great, you idiot.
It doesn't matter who it was.
They had to use the crane to lower the horse down on top.
Oh, dude, imagine if that was your job.
It's not my job.
Okay, any other comments? Emily. My comment is that Brendan's just making stuff up to get attention. Gross. You are made of gross.
You'd know.
What?
Don't say a word. I won't fucking kill you, okay? What the fuck y'all doing out here? You're a long way away from Westwood. I can't believe we're being marked by black people in Watts. This is so stereotypical. What, did you just slap me? What, are you on your period? Shut that motherfucker up. Alright, I'll shut up. But you do nothing to help your people's self-image.
Mr. Oliver, listen to me now. This is her. You see that? And that's what she looks like right there.
Yeah, I saw a young girl with reddish brown hair.
That's the girl. Where did she go? Did you see where she went?
I did see this young fellow, Rig Marlowe.
Rig Marlowe. Where would I find him?